Parents, when you're guiding and coaching your children about ambition and all of that, tell them the truth. Tell them so when you're a high achiever and when you're ambitious, it not normally work out. It gonna cause you a lot of depression, a lot of stress, a whole lot of sleepless nights, and a whole lot of traveling and up and down. If I could live my life all over again, I would have no ambition. Learn to be content with the little way you have. And if you're ambitious and a high achiever, I'm sorry for you. Because you're gonna be very unhappy. People who don't have no ambition are the happiest people ever.
Jesus.
Take it from me. I am a counselor.
She said that she's a counselor. Who's she counseling? What useful information she just gave that would make your life better? What? By not being ambitious, because being ambitious takes work. Being someone that gives back to your community takes work. That's the reason for not being ambitious. So you're saying you give up on your dreams and goals because it takes a little more work than just the average person?